Number 1. Conchiate LED Vanity Lights for Mirror, Hollywood-style vanity lights with 10 dimmable bulbs, adjustable color and brightness, USB cable, mirror light stick-on for makeup table dressing room, white. About this item: glowing star 3-color tunable, short press the button to choose the desired color temperature: warm white, 3000K/cool white, 4000K/daylight, 6500K. With 120 degree beam angle and sphere PC lampshade, our LED bulbs illuminates an even glow in any room of your choice. Sparkles 9 brightness dimmable, 9 adjustable levels of brightness. Easy to adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% via pressing the plus and dash buttons on the manual dimmer. Soft and non-dazzling, providing enough brightness for you to perform daily grooming tasks. Light bulb smart memory function: our vanity lights can remember the setting when you last turned it off. Free you from setting the light every time. Number 2. Ulfumex LED Vanity Mirror Lights, Hollywood-style vanity makeup light, 10 feet ultra bright white LED, dimmable touch control light strip, for makeup vanity table and bathroom mirror, mirror not included. About this item: perfect for DIY glam Hollywood-style vanity. If you have always wanted a Hollywood-style vanity but not enough to spend hundreds of dollars on one, these LED vanity mirror lights give you that look for next to nothing. Easy and stress-free installation, no wall or holes drilling. Your best beauty investment. No assembly or electrical wiring is required, just stick firmly these LED vanity lights to a wall, mirror, or mirror frame and you're good to go. Multiply application: these makeup mirror lights are waterproof. Ideal for living room, bathroom mirror front lighting, mural, vanity table, and art display or home use. Choose wisely on where you would like your lights. Number 3. Ulfumex Hollywood Glam LED Vanity Lights Kit, 14 feet dimmable mirror lights, full body and bathroom lighting, plug-in floor light with power supply, mirror not unit. About this item: perfect for DIY glam Hollywood light up mirror. If you have always wanted a Hollywood style full body mirror but they are always outrageous in price, hundreds of dollars on one, use our full length mirror lights and your own mirror to DIY your own lighted up full body mirror. Dimmable vanity lights for long mirror, 14 feet long string of light boards with an adhesive pad on each light board base. The light brightness can be adjustable on the smart touch switch from 10% to 100%. Perfect, affordable lighting full body mirror you can use daily while applying makeup, taking photos of makeup looks, and even recording makeup tutorials. Number 4. LED vanity lights for mirror, Conchiate Hollywood style vanity mirror light strip, adjustable color and brightness, USB cable, dimmable makeup light stick-on for vanity table dressing room mirror white. About this item: Hollywood-style vanity mirror light strip, sparkles 3 color modes adjustable. The 3-color temperature vanity mirror lights adds both perfect ambience and practicality to your space. It illuminates a cozy, energetic warm white 3000K natural, relaxing cool white 4000K or a modern, practical daylight 6000K lighting with the 54PCS LED lamp feeds, which is also dimmable. This Hollywood-style vanity lights will cast even, flicker-free continuous lighting on your face, highlighting every single detail and